In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Photoshop. Firstly, go to Edit, Preferences, Interface. There is a UI language option, but no other language to select. First, close the Photoshop program and search for the Photoshop in your system search bar. Right-click and then select Open File Location. Then search for Locals folder. Open the folder and locate a file related to the language settings. The folder name might look different depending on your current language. Find the file with a name that corresponds to your current language and rename the file or change its extension. Just find the old at the end of the file name. Now, just run Photoshop and you will see the program language has changed to English. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.